Welcome to GAYAS classes for mathematics. Today I am going to start very important topic, that is integration class 12, definite integration properties. Let us see. So here the first property is what? A to b f of x dx equal to a to b f of t dt. That means here lower limit a, upper limit b, here lower limit a, upper limit b. So if the variable, here variable is what? X. So f of x. If we change the variable, then no difference in the result of the limit. Okay. So you can see with example. Suppose we are taking one example. It is integration of 1 to 2, and this is what? Suppose x square dx. This is the any integral 1 to 2 x square dx. So if we are going for same limit, that is 1 to 2. Here variable is what? X. Now we are changing this variable x as a y. So we can write here, this is what? F, this is y square, and this is what? dy. So here variable is x, here variable is y. Now we will see the result of both, that is LHS and RHS will be what? Same. So here integration of x square is what? X cube by 3. And here upper limit is what? 2 and lower limit is 1. So when we will put x equal to 2, we will get what? 8 by 3. And minus when we put lower limit x equal to 1, that is 1 by 3. So our result is what? 7 by 3. Right? In the same way, if we are going for RHS, so this RHS is what? Integration of 1 to 2 y square dy. So no problem, integration of y square is what? You know, y to the power 3 and divided by 3. Upper limit is 2 and lower limit is 1. Now the rule is what? Just put the value of upper limit minus put the value of lower limit. So when we put y equal to 2, we will get what? 2 cube, that is 8 by 3. When we put lower limit as a 1, so 1 cube by 3 is what? 1 by 3. So again our result is what? 7 by 3. So what we found here, LHS is 7 by 3, RHS is 7 by 3. So this property is very important, and correct one, a to b f of x ds, any function is given and lower limit, upper limit is given. If we change the variable and then a limit is same, then result will be no change, same answer will come, just like you see here. Here function x square dx and here is y square dy. Result is same, that is 7 by 3 and 7 by 3. Now see property number 2. The property 2 is what? A to b f of x dx equal to minus of b to a f of a dx. That means if the same function here and same function here, limit is a to b, if we interchange the limit, that means upper limit become lower limit and lower limit changes to upper limit, then the result will be minus of the original, that is negative of the first. So here a to b f of dx, negative of a to b, b to a f of dx. So we are just proving this with simple example. See, so here suppose we are taking the example, this is 1 to 2 and this is what? X square dx. Then this will be what? Minus of, interchanging the limit. So this is 2, this is 1 and this is what? X square dx. So now we are taking only LHS first. So LHS is what? 1 to 2 x square dx. So integration of x square, you know what? X cube by 3. So this is x to the power 3 by 3. Upper limit is 2, lower limit is 1. So when we put upper limit in the place of x, so this is 2 power 3, 8 by 3. And similarly here, our lower limit is 1. So 1 cube 1 by 3. So our answer will be what? That is 7 by 3. Now you see RHS. So RHS is what? Minus. Now here integration of x square dx. So again same function. So our answer will be what? X3 by 3. And now upper limit is 1 and lower limit is 2. So now you see this is minus. Just put the upper limit value of x equal to 1. So we will get what? 1 by 3. Minus, again you put lower limit at the place of x. So 2 power 3 is what? 8. So this is 8 by 3. So we will get what? Minus of minus 7 by 3. So this will become what? 7 by 3. So here LHS is 7 by 3 and RHS is also 7 by 3. So result is what? Any time A to B function x dx, any function given, lower limit and upper limit given. So if we interchange the limit, that is upper to lower, lower to upper, the result will be same but negative of the original. So here 7 by 3 and here what? Also 7 by 3, because you know this equal to this. So this is what? A to B, f of dx is what? Minus B to A, f of x dx. This is our correct answer. Now see property number 3rd. Let us see. A to A, f of x dx equal to 0. That means if any expression is given and here limit is same, upper limit equal to lower limit, then our result, that is answer, will be 0 every time when any function is given on that limit is same, lower limit, upper limit same, the answer will be what? 0. You see the one example. Suppose here we are taking integration of any number you are taking. Suppose we are taking 1 to 1 and here the function is what? X square dx. So here integration of 1 to 1 x square dx, that means limit is same, lower limit 1, upper limit also 1, and we are finding integration result. So you know integration of x square is what? X cube by 3, and here upper limit 1, lower limit 1. So when we put upper limit x equal to 1, we will get 1 cube, that is 1 by 3, and here also 1 by 3. So this is what? 0. In this way, any function is given and their integration of any function, a limit is same, that is upper and lower limit same, the result will be also every time, that is what? 0. Now see property number 4. So property 4 is what? A to B f of x dx equal to A to C f of x dx plus C to B f of x dx, where C is the number between A and B. So for any time A to B f of dx and C is any number between A and B, we can use this property A to C f of x dx plus C to B f of x dx. Let us see the one example. So suppose it is given integration of 1 to 3 and here x square dx, then we can write simply 1 to 2 x square dx and plus 2 to 3 x square dx. So when we take LHS, so LHS is what? Integration of x square dx. So you know x square integration is what? X cube upon 3. Upper limit 3, lower limit 1. And this equal to what? This is x cube by 3. So upper limit is 3. So just put x equal to 3. So we will get what? 27 upon 3 minus. Now put x equal to lower limit. So x equal to 1. 1 cube is 1. So this is 1 by 3. So result is what? 26 by 3. Now RHS. So this is RHS. Here first x square. So integration of x square is what? X cube by 3. Upper limit is 2, lower limit is 1. Again plus. Again the x square integration is x cube by 3. Upper limit is 3, lower limit is 2. So when we solve this, so x cube, x equal to 2, we will get what? 8 by 3 minus x equal to 1, that is 1 by 3 plus. Again, this is x cube by 3. So we'll get what? 27 by 3. And this is minus. That is what? 2, 3, 8 by 3. So this 8 by 3 and this 8 by 3 cancel out. So minus 1 plus 27 is what? 26 by 3. So our result of LHS and RHS is what? Same. So this is the simple property a to b f of x dx, and when c the any number between a and b, then we can write a to c f of x dx or c to b f of x dx. So this is the result. We have given the one example. Now see property number 5. So property 5 is what? A to b f of x dx. This equal to a to b a plus b minus c. That means sum of the lower limit plus upper limit minus given function. So let us see the one example. So suppose it is given integration of 1 to 2, and this is what? X square dx. So we can write what? This is 1 to 2 and 1 a plus b, that is 1 plus 2 minus x. And here x square, so just this is s square dx. So when we take LHS, so we will get x cube by 3, and here upper limit is 2, lower limit is 1. So put x equal to 2, so 2 power 3 is what? 8. 8 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So we will get what? 7 by 3. And now RHS. So this RHS is what? That is integration of 1 to 2. This is 3 minus x whole square dx. So we can write integration of 1 to 2. 3 minus x whole square, a minus b whole square, expand. So this is 9 plus x square minus 6x. And this is what? Dx. So we can write integration of 9 is what? 9x. X square is what? X cube by 3. And 6 is what? Minus 6 square by 2. Upper limit is 2, lower limit 1, 2, 3 is 6. Now just put upper limit 2, x equal to 2. So 9 2 is 18 plus 2 power 3, 8. So this is 8 by 3. And minus 3x square, so 2 square 4, 3 is 12, right? Minus lower limit 1. So 9 to 1 is 9. 9 plus 1 cube by 3 is what? 1 by 3. And minus 3 into 1 square, 3. So now you see, this is 18 minus 12. So this is what? 6 plus 8 by 3 minus. Here 9 minus 3 is what? 6. So this is minus 6. And this is minus 1 by 3. So this 6 and this cancel. 8 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is what? That is 7 by 3. So here result is 7 by 3. Here result is 7 by 3. So we will use this property according to the question. A b f of dx equal to what? A plus b minus x. So we can find this property. So this is the right answer. We have checked this LHS and RHS with simple example.